I'll jump right into a little bit of my background. I was wrongfully convicted to 60 years to life in prison for something I didn't do. They threw me in solitary confinement for like 12 years. In solitary confinement, I started studying the law. I got really good at it. I got myself out, and I was exonerated about 5, 6 years ago. So all these judges and lawyers are like, you got to get back into law, because I honestly didn't want to touch another law book again. Started getting into school ever since then. Had a 4.0, got into Pomona College. So now it's like, there's always a silver lining to everything. But through my experience, it made me realize how passionate I am about law, and how much, what a positive difference I can make in the world by helping to save innocent lives. So now I want to be an attorney and maybe even a judge one day. So what the reason I'm in school, going to law school, it goes far beyond academics. What makes me go is about changing the world and making a positive difference and trying to save it. It's trying to save lives. So I'm very hungry, very passionate. Been given a second chance at life, a second chance education. So I'm trying to make the most of it. Anything that you throw at me, I'm willing to take on a challenge. I'm very committed as far as I have no social life. This is all I do. I love to study. I nerd out. So I'm gonna be taking the LSAT in I think September, October. I'm in the LEAP fellowship, legal pipeline, and so I think we have something scheduled for you during the summer, if I'm not mistaken. It was about 9 months away, so I'm just trying to get a preliminary, trying to set the groundwork for acquiring good habits, because I don't want to because when I go in, Steve, I go hard, and I don't, it's hard for me to turn it around and unlearn things. So before I just absorb and just dive into everything, I want to make sure that I'm going in with the right approach on everything. So it's a lot of preliminary questions I have just to get me going. And then I'll keep you updated along the process, and then we'll, so that way it gives both of us a great start for the summer when we get more serious.
Sure. Well, I'm floored by your story and your background, and I appreciate your sharing it with me. It sounds like you're really diligent and hardworking and looking to turn lemons into lemonade, make a positive impact with everything you've been through. I can't imagine, but I'm really inspired by what you're looking to do. So kudos to you on that. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.